So hey guys, how are you? And you can see guys, this is a part 3 of how to create any shirt. As I told you that when I will reach 15 likes, I will send the part 3. So you are thinking which shirt is this? Now I will revealing the shirt. Okay, it's the Ufi merch. Ufi shirt. You can see it's the Ufi shirt which Ufi sold for 5 Robux, but we got it for free. How? You know how. So guys, in this video I am going to just teach you how to create this merch. So guys, if you want this merch for free, just watch my video till end, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell there so that you will get all of the notification for another videos. So guys, let's start our video.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So yeah guys, we are on our mobile screen. So I will start the video and end it soon. So because I want to make this short. So go to your any browser, and what you have to search here? Ophi. Just Ophi. You have to search here. When you search Ophi, go to images and check out this image. This one. No shift lock challenge image. Okay. Download this image as I always told you. Okay, I already downloaded. You can download from here by long pressing it. After downloading, you need a Pixel Lab. The link will be in description again. And if you do not watch my part 1 and part 2 yet, I will also give both the videos link in description. So you just check my description also. So let's go to our Pixel Lab app. Okay. Now what you have to do, don't mind this because I use this now, so it's showing this. You have to click on these 3 dots here and click on save use image to from gallery, and you just downloaded this image. Just open it and select 1:1 ratio here and crop it. You know that how much you have to crop. Just this part will come, just this, so crop it. You can see how I am cropping, so you also crop like me. Okay, just do it a little down here. Okay guys, you also take little time to crop because it is not easy. Okay, so like this you have to crop as I did and click on tick. Okay, so you can see this image which we cropped. Is like this. And after that, go to this brightness option from here. First you have to click the last button of this one. This. Okay, and after that click on this brightness option and select this brightness level as I am doing. If you select more, it will not look good. Just about 80%, like this, 86, but you select just 83 guys. Okay, like this, and click on this option so that your image will be saved. Select this to PNG guys, as I always told you to do. Like this, save it to gallery. Okay, after that, as you know, where you have to go to any browser. I'm using Google one, and search at www.roblox.com. right? After searching it, you will come in this page. Just log in from here guys. I already log in. Okay, so from here what you have to do, click on these 3 dots here also and request the desktop site option. And after that guys, you have to click to create option. Okay, just go to create one. Here you have to click on t-shirt and click on choose file and select your file which you have created. Okay, so before I created this image of this which I cropped and changed the brightness. Just select that one which you also select and click on upload file so that your file will be uploaded. Okay, so t-shirt is successfully created. Now just leave it, don't do anything on that. Now you can see these three dots here. I can show you by painting it. I think you know that, but okay. Click on this and go to Avatar from here. So you will be redirected to Avatar editor. Okay. Now what you have to do, again you have to do long press the body option. Okay. Press it for 2 seconds like this, as I am doing. So you will got this skin tone. Now click on skin tone. You will come here. Now go to advanced. Go to left arm and select it on this color. This one. Okay. Right arm also to that color. And torso also to that color. Okay. So both of these three things you have to select on this, the darkest yellow in the hair. Okay. After that, click on this done option so that your settings will be done. Okay. After that, you have to open your Roblox app. Okay. After you done all the settings, just go and open your Roblox app. When you came here, go to Avatar and you can see a torso and a right left. This arms are of the selected color which we selected from skin tone. Now you have to go to customize, go to clothing, then t-shirt, and find your t-shirt which you created of the Ufi merch. Okay, this is not my t-shirt because these are my recent uploads which I created. Okay, so the latest one I will show what it is. It's taking a little time to load. Guys, I am not pausing a video because some people think that I did another setting and purchased the shirt. I never do that. Okay, this is not. Okay, so the shirt which is in the first will be the latest. Let it load, guys. It's take a little time. Okay, so we weared that this one. Okay, the latest one. Oh, my skin color. Oh my god. Okay, I weared it, and that now I'm joining the Tower of Hell game, and here you can see the shirt which we just created now. And in this game, not this game, every game the shirt will look like that. You have purchased the Ufi merch. Okay, see it, guys. See it very carefully. If not, it is not looking like Ufi. What do you think? If it's, just comment below that the shirt is looking like Ufi. And I hope you like this shirt and this video. And as you know, 15 likes again in this video I need. And just give it a 15 likes. And then I will post the part 4. Okay, in that part 4 I will show another very good Adidas shirt for free. So guys, how is this shirt? I hope you like it. So if you like it, just comment, like this video and comment I like the shirt. So guys, take care, and this video is just this, signing in. Bye bye.